Friends, welcome to the world of cryptocurrencies. Dear friends, in this channel we will be providing you a lot of important and useful information about the cryptocurrencies. Subscribe to our channel, please click on bell icon, and also we are making the languages of the videos are like Kannada and English. Whichever languages is comfortable to you, you can watch those videos. Dear friends, I want to give you a short updates and some details about the Oracle company's recent notification. Dear friends, they have told several times that the 150% withdrawal will be happening very soon, like that and all. And finally, they have given a statement that 150% withdrawal has already been credited into our withdrawal wallet. You can see those like that. But as I am knowing a lot of friends and lot of users of this Oracle companies, this EPT has not been credited into their account, and most of them have for most of them it has been credited very less amount of EPT. So in this case, what we have to do is we have to write the mail to the Oracle company saying that so they have not been credited this 150% ECN withdrawals to their to the particular withdrawals wallet. Okay, so now just I will show you how to write the mail and from which ID we have to write the mail. Those details we will see, dear friends. Dear friends, as I told you, these notifications details are showing in their website. You can see those. So here I am making this video just to show how to write the mail to the Oracle company for our 150% ECN withdrawals. So we'll start, dear friends. We have to open our Gmail ID. See, I have already drafted a mail for you. You can see that it's my ID and I am writing the mail like this. So from nagendrablr12 at the gmail.com to support.withdrawal@oracle.com, you can keep CC for the other mail ID as well. Other mail ID you can keep in the CC. So in subject line 150% withdrawal not happened. So hi, I am Nagendra Kumar BS. My ID is KUSH 7933. As I informed you in subject line, 150% withdrawal is not showing. I'm just removing this empty. It is a typo error. Okay, withdrawal is not showing in my withdrawal wallet. Please consider this request and update my 150% returns withdrawals in my withdrawal wallet. Thanks and regards, like that you can see. This is the very simple mail I have drafted. You can just send this mail to your Oracle company. So before sending the mail, you have to make sure that the mail ID which you have given to the particular Oracle ID, so the same from the same mail ID you have to write the mail. Otherwise, they may not respond. So please, before sending the mail, you make sure that mail ID is correct. Okay. So thanks a lot for watching this video, dear friends. I am just sending the mail for you. So now the mail has been sent. Thanks a lot for watching this video, dear friends.